My experience here has been great. I started in just being a technician, and I've worked myself up to management. I have seen growth in monstrous proportions. I think we're in a great environment here.
I've never had an experience where I have to work with so many people on a lot of different levels all over the place, and it's been crazy, but it's also pretty satisfying to learn how all the cogs and gears work together.
The CERT program is great. It gives people the opportunity to really kind of push themselves to want to better themselves, to learn more, to get out there and really kind of encompass what this company is all about. Being flexible, being able to understand what devices are coming in and what devices are going out and how that process really works.
It gives new employees a very fast chance to learn everything that's happening within this company, and not just that, but it rewards them for learning and helps them advance not just in knowledge but also in their pay.
I learned a lot of time management, how to lead teams, how to be outspoken, just getting out of my comfort zone.
I've honestly learned a lot. I've been working with actually really good people that are like me, that understand me, are willing to laugh with me, and also work hard with me.
Limitless skills. Really, learning how to be able to fix these devices, troubleshoot these devices, and also more interpersonal things, how to be able to manage people, how to be able to coach, and how to be able to, how to move and motivate people to want to better themselves and really kind of see them succeed.
You feel like you're improving at your job every day because there's always something different to do.
Because it's just a really unique place to work. There's amazing people who work here. The environment is great. It's fast-paced. You are learning stuff that is relevant to society today that can help you here and outside of here. And like I said, because it's just a great environment with some really, really awesome people.
It's a huge opportunity for people to basically come into a company that you don't have to have any kind of prior experience, or you don't have to know how to do micro soldering or software engineer by any means. We really kind of lay the platform for people to learn and to really kind of hone in their own skills and where they want to be.